All right, garden lovers. After a decade of getting my hands dirty and helping you grow the most beautiful blooms, I'm excited to share one of my all-time favorite rose propagation secrets, right here on HH Beauty Garden. You're gonna love this because it uses simple, natural ingredients you probably already have at home. Where are you watching from? Leave us a comment. We'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. My secret to rooting roses, the kitchen garden method. Today, we're going to propagate stunning roses using a powerful, all-natural rooting hormone mix. Get ready to fill your garden with even more vibrant roses without breaking the bank. Prepping your rose cuttings. First things first, let's get our rose stems ready. You want to pick a healthy stem about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Think of it as a nice, sturdy foundation for your future rose bush. Carefully snip off all the lower leaves, leaving just one or two at the very top. This might seem counterintuitive, but trust me, it's a critical step. By removing those leaves, we're telling the cutting to focus all its energy on growing roots, not supporting existing foliage. Next, we'll make a precise 45-degree angle cut at the bottom of your stem. This increases the surface area, giving us more room for those precious roots to emerge. Now here's a trick I've used for years. Grab a clove of garlic and rub it all over the cut end. Garlic isn't just for delicious food, it's a fantastic natural antibacterial agent. It helps the cut heal quickly and prevents any nasty infections from setting in. The magic rooting brew. Now for the truly exciting part, making our all-natural rooting hormone. Did you know that everyday eggs are incredible for plant health? They're packed with calcium and protein, which are vital for strong, healthy root tissue and keeping stem rot at bay. We'll also use about a quarter of a ripe banana. Bananas are little powerhouses of potassium and phosphorus, two nutrients that actively stimulate rapid new root growth. Just mash that banana up. Combine your mashed banana and egg in a bowl, then add 500 milliliters of water. But wait, there's one more secret ingredient, a generous spoonful of raw honey. Honey is not only a natural root stimulant, but also has amazing antibacterial properties, helping to prevent fungus and even forming a protective seal over the cut end of your stem. This incredible blend of bananas, eggs, and honey creates the perfect natural rooting stimulant. It helps your rose cuttings root faster, stay healthier, prevents dreaded root rot, and even encourages early bud formation. Once your mixture is ready, gently place your rose cuttings into it and let them soak for about an hour. Planting your future roses. While our cuttings are soaking up all that goodness, let's prepare our planting medium. I always recommend sand for cuttings. Its loose structure and large particles provide excellent drainage, just enough moisture, good air circulation, and it helps keep things disease-free. Exactly what new roots need. After an hour, filter out your rooting mixture. We'll use this liquid to thoroughly moisten the sand. Once the sand is perfectly moist, it's time to carefully insert your rose cuttings. To create a mini greenhouse effect and maintain humidity, cover each cutting with a plastic cup that has a few small vent holes. Finally, place your covered cuttings in a cool spot away from direct sunlight. And now comes the toughest part, patience. The sweet rewards in about 7 to 10 days. Keep a close eye out for new shoots emerging from your cuttings. This is your green light. It means your plant is thriving. And in just 2 to 3 weeks, you'll be amazed by how much your shoots have grown. That's when we can carefully check on the root system, and you'll see a beautiful network of roots, all thanks to those simple ingredients: eggs, bananas, and honey. Before you transplant your thriving new rose plants into their permanent home, snip off any flowers that may have formed. This allows the plant to put all its energy into developing a strong root system and more new shoots. For planting, use a rich mixture of soil blended with compost or coconut fiber to give your new roses the best possible start. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to HH Beauty Garden for more gardening secrets, and share it with your fellow plant lovers so we can all grow beautiful gardens together. Thanks for watching, and happy propagating. What kind of roses are you hoping to propagate first? Let me know in the comments below.